Hi, let's see if a kid, a 10-year-old, can replace a speaker in the X1 headphones. There you go. Hello, Ollie. How are you, Oliver?
Good.
Good. All good. We don't need the cookies. What's this?
What?
What's this? And this? All right, so I guess it's possible. You can do it. So the kid forgot to put back the washers, but that's basically the only real thing that went wrong over here. So yeah, it looks like a 10-year-old can assemble or disassemble the X1 headphones, which is pretty cool, I think. Yeah.